This is Bude. Let's go reception. Looks like it's closed. They say call a number.
Nobody.
Late arrivals, please check in at the Atlantic Bar. Come on, let's go.
Let's go to the Caravan.
So if you arrive late after 5 PM, you check in at the Atlantic Bar.
Let's go to the Caravan.
Yeah. Well, let's drive round. It's a lot of space, isn't there?
Collected our keys from the Atlantic Bar, and now we're just going to go see our caravan, which is just round the corner.
Gonna walk there.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah.
We'll drive down in a minute. Number 95. Where is it? 96.
Basically, it is 95, but the label says 109.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you hold that.
let's go.
Let's go and have a look.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, this.
109. Not 95. Callagath. Should be 3-bedroom. It's not superior though.
Is it just one thing?
Turn the lights on. Ooh. Wait. Let's look down here first. The lounge.
Okay.
The TV. It's hot. It's warm.
Don't dirty the carpet.
Like
Take your shoes off.
like the last time.
Nice smell. Clean.
Oh my god, the TV's so
Lights
tiny.
work.
Oh my god, the TV's so
Same as the last
tiny.
time we went in the
I'll show you what you get in a Bude Holiday Resort caravan. First, you get this fine, small Toshiba white TV, and this big sofa, which can also be a bed. So relaxing. Anyway, you also have these 2 cushion chairs and this table to eat on if you want. Yummy. And this sofa. Yeah. Then let's move on to the kitchen. You have this toaster, which looks like it's been used at the top, and this nice red microwave. Also,
There's a bin.
you have a sink.
Does the water work? Have you tried it?
There's a bin. Oh, there's a bin. Oh, there's a bin. Oh, there's a
Yeah, the bin.
It's a little bin.
Gas cooker.
There's a little bin here.
There's bathroom welcome packs.
The little one.
Is it electric or gas? The gas. Gas is on.
Oh, you have to do this.
Oh,
See,
do it again. That's good. Gas cooker, that's good.
Okay,
I don't waste the gas. Anyway.
turn them off. Okay, now let's see what's in the bathroom welcome pack. There's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And also in the cupboard there's plates,
Yeah, that's good.
cups,
Glasses.
glasses I mean. I don't think that there's
Mugs, plenty of mugs.
a knife, a thingy, and a spoon.
What's in here? Nothing.
And nothing.
Bin.
A bin.
Oh, lots of cutlery there.
How do you have 2 bins? How do you have 2 bins? How do you have 2 bins?
This is for the washing up, so I'll put that here. Oh, we have this at home.
Exactly the same.
Look.
And it
Why do
comes
you have 2 bins?
in bin
Yeah,
bag.
2 bins.
Bin bag.
We got 2 bins. We got 2 bins.
And also
Oh, look, lots of pans.
pots and pans.
So look, there's lots of pots and pans.
We have this at home as well.
You didn't have to bring everything. What's in the top cupboard?
You know there's a bin here.
Okay, let's move on.
What's in that cupboard there? Open that bottom cupboard. Open it.
Nothing.
Empty. Right, bath, bedrooms.
No, there's one more thing.
Oh yeah.
And this is the kitchen welcome pack. Let's see what.
Be coffee,
Oh, it's gonna be like, oh, not with
tea and
this.
coffee.
Sponge.
So PG tips, milk, coffee stuff, more milk. It's all the boring stuff. And now comes to the interesting stuff. Okay, so there's nice sponge.
Give me, I found it the spongy.
There's this cleaning cloth.
Mm.
There's this towel.
I got a towel for.
And there's this dishwashing.
Yeah.
It's a bit smaller.
Oh, the
Nice
pasta
and
you
sugar.
clean.
Okay.
Somebody has been in this
By
one
the way,
before.
all this stuff here is mine. Just to let you know. Let's move on to this fine, massive fridge.
Wow.
It doesn't.
I'm impressed by the fridge. Remember in the Caton Bay one,
Yeah,
the fridge was
tiny.
half the size.
Yeah. This is actual house-size fridge that you'd actually use in your house.
So it's swings and roundabouts.
Okay.
Swings and
Let's
roundabouts.
move on to the room.
The rooms, the bedrooms.
First, we have this boiler room.
Let's have a look. What's the boiler
What's in
room?
there?
Ooh, that looks sophisticated.
Look,
We don't need any heating.
Look.
Yeah, brush.
Also, we have a coat hanger.
Hallways are wider than the Caton Bay one as well.
Also, there's this 2-bedroom room with, two beds.
Turn lights on.
Wow, I like it. I like it. I like this
It's
one.
got a cupboard and
It's relaxing.
a big cupboard.
Oh, I want to sleep here.
And there's a bookcase.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Okay, let's move on.
Oh, I'm gonna go. Hey, get out.
Oh, let it out. Wait, Annie.
Get out from this house.
Next, we have a toilet.
Oh, cute toilet.
Shower.
Have you ever been here? It's like,
Another bin.
shower.
Oh, this is a bit loose.
Hello.
The plastic's loose.
How do you go
It's
out?
cracked.
Where? It's not cracked, it's the plastic.
Not very good.
Yeah, it's a
How do you get out?
bit cheap. It'll
It'll do for 4
do
nights.
for 4 nights.
And then there has it.
Oh, open that. What's in there?
Like what? Yeah, but you're not holding
Nothing.
the big
Nothing.
bag.
Then they have this nice toilet and this.
What? Look.
Radiator.
At the top. We've got toilet paper.
Sugar
Empty.
blinds because you don't want people to see you on the toilet.
No.
Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the big bed.
Towel.
Turn the light on then.
Towel. Towel. The towel.
Oh,
Wait up.
the big bedroom has a nice.
Did they come with the towels?
Yes.
That's good.
Let's have a
Oh,
look.
my towel.
Oh, bed sheets and things. So I think this is for like the sofa.
What's in the drawers?
I don't think.
Empty.
I think this is for the sofa bed. I think because then
Oh.
duvet.
Relaxing my bed. This is.
What's in that cupboard?
In this
Okay.
cupboard, there is nothing. There's extra pillows and things. So I think you can use that.
What's in there?
It's a toilet.
Ensuite.
My.
That's good.
A toilet.
Ensuite toilet.
Yes, because this is me.
First impressions are good, and we rated it at 8 out of 10, and it would have been a 10 if there was an extra bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. For some reason,
What's in here?
I was expecting 3 bedrooms. Maybe I got confused with the sofa bed.
What's in here?
You 3 can sleep in here. You, Mum, and Eliza. Eliza, this is your bedroom, big one.
This is mine.
Gogi Sammy can have that, and I'll try and sleep out here. I'll try and. What you bought plates for? They got loads of plates.
Mom, do you have my phone? I can't seem to find it.
So you want to sleep out here, or shall I sleep out here, Gog? You don't mind?
My stuff. Where's my teddy? Oh, there. Ha. I got extra cushion and a teddy.
I can't.
Do you want to go look at the beach, or go early in the morning?
You need to book us swimming.
Yeah. Let's see on the condition if there's any initial damage. I can't see any. Can you see any damage to anything? Everything looks okay.
Mom, we need to wash the spoons and things. The massive ones are not clean. The ones that are red. Look, those are clean.
There's no sign of any damage.
Here. There.
Except from the shower's not good.
Yeah, the shower, there's one. Oh, that's come off. Plastic's not on. It's only a minor thing. Nothing major.
I'm going to my bedroom.
Yeah, go to your bedroom. So everything is functional, nothing's damaged. I can see a little hole there. Oh, that's it. Is that doorstop? No, I don't know what that is. Probably holding this wall in place. Clean, functional, working. A bit of dirt there. This curtain's a little bit dirty. That's the only thing that I've noticed. Lights are working.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So everything's okay. In fact, the only thing I've seen is the one dirty curtain. The others are all fine. You eating your dinner? Sharing is caring. Remember game theory? What's it called? Tic tac, not tic tac. What's it?
Tit for tat.
Tit for tat. No, generous tit for tat. That's game TV. That's for a separate video.
I'm gonna